Now, hoping to fix this big dent. As you can see, the gap here between the door and the quarter panel is pretty big because it's been punched in here by the old door. I took the side skirt off just to give it some room. There's no damage in here. I took off the rear panel, took the seatbelt mechanism out. It gave me access to this hole here. And there's my kids' football placed down inside the quarter panel. Nozzle there to screw the air pump into it. Have the air line hooked up in here. I already gave it one tiny pump, and you may not believe it, but it's working unreal. Watch this. Look at that. Do you hear that? I think that's fixed now. Fixed. Looks absolutely brilliant. Fixed for free using a kid's football.